So today I am so excited because I'm going to be sharing with you one of my favorite recipes from my cookbook, Whole New You. And if you guys want to check it out, make sure you click the link below. So let's get this party started. I am gonna be making my pan-roasted chicken with a bacon maple glaze. Doesn't that sound great? You know, this is one of my brothers, well, both of my brothers, like favorite recipe. And I really think it's because of the bacon. I mean, come on, who doesn't love bacon? So that is what we're gonna start with first. So I have a pan right here in front of me. And what I've done is I've just cut up my bacon into strips. I'm just gonna throw it into here. And you want to hear that nice sizzle. We have a sizzle going on. I love the smell of bacon cooking. Ah, so good. Okay, this is just gonna take a few minutes. And while my bacon cooks, I'm gonna start seasoning up my chicken. And what I'm using are some chicken thighs. I'm gonna keep the bone in. And when you cook your chicken thighs with the bone, it just adds so much flavor. I'm gonna go ahead and season this. I'm gonna add some salt. This is not only one of my favorite recipes in my cookbook, it's my brother's. I feel like all of my recipes are my brother's favorite. I always love cooking for them, and when I made this for them several times, they just absolutely loved it. And not only that, my husband loves it, my son loves it, we all love this. So I think you'll love it too. My bacon's looking good. It's really nice and crispy. And what I'm gonna do is transfer my bacon onto this plate here that I've lined with a paper towel. And don't throw it away because we're gonna use it later. I'm also gonna leave some of the bacon fat in the pan because guess what? I am going to add my chicken to this pan. And what I love about that is the bacon fat is gonna give this chicken so much flavor. I'm also putting my chicken skin down, and cooking my chicken this way, my chicken will have a really nice crust to it. And don't touch it. That's the key to getting really nice crispy chicken. Just let it kind of hang out for a while. I wrote this book out of inspiration. I wanted to inspire and to share my story. I have something called endometriosis, and what that is it's a highly inflammatory condition that can cause infertility. To kind of get rid of inflammation in my body, my doctor told me to eat foods that wouldn't cause inflammation. So for a whole year, I ate these recipes that are in my cookbook, Whole New You, and I was able to get pregnant with my son, Cree. He is definitely my miracle child. And I remember telling my doctor, I'm pregnant. And her exact words were, it's because of that diet. So I'm not a doctor, but you know, this worked for me. And if you are struggling with infertility, it may work for you as well. Now I'm gonna move on to my maple glaze. I'm gonna add some maple syrup, of course, which is gonna add some sweetness to this dish. Soy sauce, give it a little salty kick. Cherry vinegar, give it a little tang. If that's a word. I've noticed that I come up with these words. I'm like, maybe I should have my own dictionary, Tia's dictionary. And then I'm gonna add some Dijon mustard. All right. That looks nice. I like it. I like it a lot. I like it a lot. If you guys can figure out what movie that is from, we'll be like best friends. I like it a lot. You guys know what movie that's from? No? Dumb and Dumber! So I'm just gonna take my chicken out and put it on this plate, and I'm not done with this because I'm gonna put it back into the sauce and let it finish cooking. Oh, yes. Yes, baby, yes. There we go. So I'm just gonna set this aside. And now I'm gonna add my onions. And again, I'm still using the same bacon fat. That's just gonna give this dish loads of flavor. All right. So I'm just gonna cook this until the onions get really nice and soft. With this book, a lot of the recipes are dairy-free and gluten-free, but you are not missing out on any flavor. I am telling you, I am all about flavor, honey, and food tasting great and delicious and making you happy. My onions are looking good, fabulous, sexy, wonderful. All right. Now I'm gonna add some water. And then I'm gonna add my maple glaze. This is looking good. I'm just gonna bring this up to a simmer. Now I'm gonna put my bacon back into my pan. We have our bacon, we have our onions, and then I'm going to finish off my chicken. I'm gonna put it skin side up because we want the chicken to be really nice and crispy still on top. And also we have to finish cooking off the chicken. This is smelling so good. So I'm gonna let this cook for another 25 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. My chicken is ready to eat. Yummy, 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 yummy. And look here, you can see that the chicken skin, it's still nice and crispy the way I love it. Let's taste this. You know, you can serve this with a side of veggies like green beans, or my brothers love when I serve this over some rice or some mashed potatoes. Look at that. Oh. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna top it with some fresh parsley. Yummy! Let's give this a taste. Who doesn't love a great chicken dish? Make sure I have some chicken in there with the onions and the bacon and the maple sauce. Oh my gosh. This is so good. And I love that the chicken is tender because you've cooked it really nice and slow. This is definitely a winner. You guys, this is so good. I hope you guys try it out. And if you do, let me know in the comments and make sure you subscribe. I'll see you next week.